Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Mochi Coin, its price prediction this year mega balloon, that is Mochi Coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap meme coin in best ecosystem or not. Can we see its listing on Coinbase soon just like Toshi? Okay, Toshi was listed on Coinbase a few months ago. So is it possible that Mochi can be the next listing for Coinbase and also for Binance or not? So it is be very, very special, very important. You have to jump for the complete video here. Moji current price opened 4 times $0.15, pumped by 7% in last 24 hours and 40% in last 14 days. So this is no doubt good performance, a good recovery from Mochi coin in last 7 days here. You can see friends, current market 15.5 million. Okay, so now market cap is going also upward here. $131,000 trading volume. Trading volume is very, very low because still there's no any major central exchange listing for this coin. That's why trading volume is very low. 1 trillion supply, all in circulation. Just like Toshi, this is another KT meme coin in Bass ecosystem. Here you can see friends, a KT meme coin in Bass ecosystem. We are 80% down than its all-time high. They were 1 year ago. 3100% up than its all-time low. They were also 1 year ago. So performance around this meme coin is still good. Here you can see friends, MEXC, CoinX. Okay, and these are the I think only two central exchanges where this coin is listed. All other are best dexes where this coin is listed. That's why I already told you that join MEXC and Get.io, both central exchanges, links in description where you can buy all best launch meme coin. Okay, on both central exchanges. Get.io is still not list Mochi, but maybe it's possible that we can see Mochi coin listing on Get.io soon. But you can see friends, MEXC has already listed this coin where has 18% of its trading volume. So this is good. If you not have MEXC exchange account yet, I provide you its link in description. You can join MEXC where you can buy all newly launched best meme coin. 102,000 holders for Mochi coin. Okay friends, you can see on Bass scan you can check out all further details. The 102,000 holders for this coin. This is good. MEXC has highest supply, that is 8.3%. Okay friends, $1.3 million worth token holding on MEXC exchange. Some other wallets holding more than 1% supply, almost top 12 wallets. Okay, top 12 wallets has more than 1% supply. These are some other wallets holding Mochi coin, some different wallets. So friends, this is good. Okay, so tokenomics is also good. And now my price prediction about Mochi coin is that S coin has currently 4 zeros in its price. Current market cap is $15 million. But friends, definitely Mochi is one of best meme coin in best ecosystem. Just like Toshi, this another Kathy meme coin and already hit huge market cap. Already make a massive rally a couple of months ago. So it's also possible that Mochi coin can be the next Toshi in base ecosystem. We can see its market cap maybe up to $1 billion in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon. Okay, only worried thing about Mochi coin, only red flag about Mochi coin is exchange listing. Okay, only two central exchanges has only list this coin yet. Still loads of central exchange listing remain. Maybe its community can success to get listed Mochi on many major central exchanges when crypto market will again record, when we see a massive boom for best ecosystem meme coin in crypto market again. Then at that time it's also possible the Mochi can be the next listing for major central exchanges. But friends, if Mochi will not list on major central exchanges, many other major central exchanges, then maybe it's not possible that we can see Mochi to $1 billion here.